All life is interconnected, and all life requires the same basic conditions in order to flourish. Which is why fostering quality of life means caring for every stage of the cycle, from the animals we depend on to the farms that rear them, the societies they sustain, and the ecosystems that underpin them all. Everywhere it matters, health means the world. And health, we believe, starts with hygiene. It's why at Sidline, an Ecolab company, we devote all our passion, experience, and expertise to safeguarding animal health and hygiene, to maximize profitability for farmers while stimulating growth in the industry, to preserve the quality of our food chain and ensure safe food, and ultimately to protect the sustainability of our societies, so we can continue to foster quality of life for all life well into the future. As a trusted partner of farmers around the globe, we offer a broad range of high-quality animal health care products, backed by tailored advice and end-to-end hygiene solutions. More than mere suppliers, we build long-term relationships with our distributors and the farmers our programs serve. By providing proactive services, by offering continuous support, by investing in innovation, and by sharing the results of our research, so that they can focus on what really matters, the health of their business. Because no matter where you are in the food chain, health matters, and this is where health begins.